At this point, I'd love to introduce my friend, Jody Olson, who, as mentioned before, is a previous agency director of Peace Corps and currently co-president of the Women of Peace Corps Legacy affiliate group. Jody's an RPCV from Tunisia and was the Peace Corps director from 2018 to 2021. Joining Jody is Megan Celestine. She is co-president of Women of Peace Corps Legacy and RPCV from the Eastern Caribbean between 2014 and 17. She previously worked as a country desk officer and now is working at the Federal Emergency Management Administration, FEMA. Jody and Megan, thank you for joining us today to present your award. I'm especially excited because one of the recipients is an RPCV from Ethiopia from my time there, and I know that she is so deserving. I can't wait to hear more.
Megan Celestine and I are co-presidents of Women of Peace Corps Legacy. We want to thank you, Dan, you're great, and MPCA for our affiliation and support you give and for being able to collaborate with other affiliate groups. Today, we'll give a brief note about our organization, present our Debbie Harding Women of Achievement and Kate Raftery Emerging Leader Awards, and invite you to our award celebration on October 11th. Next slide. Women of Peace Corps Legacy was founded 12 years ago to advance women and girls' empowerment, to help highlight organizations working with women and girls, and to support women whose lives have been impacted by their service to Peace Corps. We have over 600 members, a newsletter, and offer monthly Zoom programs about global issues affecting women, honor successful Peace Corps women through 2 annual awards, which we're now celebrating, offer an annual mentor program for Peace Corps women, and sponsor 2 gatherings to celebrate our activities for women and girls. Now on to these exciting awards. Megan, it's yours.
Good morning, good afternoon. Women of Peace Corps Legacy is excited to announce Janice Del Rosario as the 2022 winner of the Kate Raftery Emerging Leader Award. This award honors emerging women leaders under the age of 40 that have demonstrated dedication to improving the lives of women and girls. Janice began her career conducting independent research on girls' lack of access to education in Cameroon in 2010, where she met Peace Corps volunteers who inspired her to do something about it. She then served as a Peace Corps volunteer in Ethiopia from 2013 to 2015. While in Peace Corps, Janice served as the National Coordinator for Gender and Development and participated in early planning that eventually led to Peace Corps' Let Girls Learn initiative. Janice has led education and youth leadership initiatives at the Bronx Institute at Lehman College and at the Sadie Nash Leadership Project, helping over 125 young people get into college. Currently, Janice serves as a program officer for the Girls First Fund, a donor collaborative supporting community-based organizations in the Global South, combating child marriage and helping girls strive self-determined lives. In the future, she plans to directly resource girls-led projects and ideas because she believes girls have the energy, capacity, and courage to change the world. Janice is also donating her award grant to Latinas en Líderes nonprofit, which seeks to empower girls from under-resourced communities in the Dominican Republic. We thank Janice for her dedication and commitment to improving the lives of women and girls domestically and internationally. Now, back to Jody.
Women of Peace Corps Legacy is honored to announce that Dr. Teresa Castello, next slide, yes, is the 2022 winner of the Deborah Harding Women of Achievement Award. This award honors women leaders who have shown a lifetime of dedication to improving lives of women and girls, both in the U.S. and throughout the world. I believe that Dr. Castello is joining us here today. Thank you for your service. Are you here? Do I see you? There you are. You're fabulous. Dr. Castello, and you'll love this part. Dr. Castello was a volunteer in Turkmenistan, Morocco, and Mali. Specialist. She's competing with Dan, I can tell. She was a very determined volunteer as she had to transfer to Morocco after Turkmenistan closed, and then to Mali, when Morocco's program was temporarily suspended. Through these country transfers, she continued her maternal health specialist work, which influenced her subsequent 25-year career in gender, social justice, and health equity. She focuses her professional activities on cultural rights, sexual and reproductive health, violence prevention, and community development among the vulnerable populations, and has worked across Asia, North America, and Sub-Saharan Africa, supporting NGOs, UN agencies, and host country ministers of health to strengthen healthcare. After all of this, currently, Dr. Costello serves as Chief Program Officer at Health Right International, where she launched the Women and Children's Health Program, putting women and girls at the center of development. She is also an adjunct professor at Bard College, New York University, and Teachers College, Columbia University. She is also the founder of Unmuted, Our Sisters' Voices, a woman of color empowerment circle. Dr. Costello received her bachelor's degree from the University of Chicago and her master's and doctoral degrees in public health education from Columbia University. Dr. Costello, I don't know if you ever sleep. This is extraordinary work that you're doing. I want to note that Dr. Costello is donating her award grant from Women of Peace Corps Legacy to the Peace Corps Partnership Funds. These include the Rupee Gender Fund and the Philippines Country Fund. These two funds will support volunteers once settled back into their communities of service as Peace Corps moves forward. And Dr. Costello, thank you for all your hard work. Congratulations. You are a champion and a model for us all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Megan.
All right. Thank you again to our 2022 award recipients. You continue to inspire us and make an impact on women and girls all over the world. In celebration of the International Day of the Girl Child, we invite everyone here today to join Women of Peace Corps Legacy's Women and Girls Win virtual event on Tuesday, October 11th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We will honor Dr. Teresa Castillo and Janice Del Rosario, who continue to strive to make women and girls win and thrive. You can register at womenofpeacecorpslegacy.com or through the registration link in the chat. Thank you, everyone, and I will pass it back to Dan.
Congratulations to Janice and Dr. Castillo. This is really well-deserved. The honors, we look forward to this presentation, hopefully on a yearly basis now with Women of Peace Corps Legacy sharing their awardees during this meeting. Thank you, Jody. Thank you, Megan. You're wonderful advocates for Peace Corps and for this community, and we appreciate the work you do with Women of Peace Corps Legacy. We love promoting your work.